India was earning, but not planning, investing without clarity, saving without direction, financial literacy alarmingly low. Behind growing markets, quiet confusion. At the peak of a successful capital markets career, CA Paresh Tapiawala saw the gap. Families needed guidance, not products, structure, not speculation. In 2010, he chose purpose over position. A family finance practice was born. Mission: bridge the literacy gap. What began as advice became transformation. Investment planning, risk management, asset allocation, long-term wealth. Not just portfolios. My Samruddhi Investwise Private Limited, evolving into My Samruddhi Group. Built on client first, integrity, transparency, teamwork, care and empathy. 15 years. 550 plus families, 125 plus crores AUM. But numbers tell only half the story. The real impact? Confident decisions, secure futures, informed families. To prevent mistakes before they begin, financial education workshops was launched. Because literacy is not luxury, it's essential. Next mission: empower 10,000 families. Wealth with wisdom. 15 years of trust, impact. This is just the beginning.